Let's take a look at the current weather conditions across Canada, and it's a classic January setup with big contrasts from coast to coast. We'll start with the temperature extremes. The warmest spot in the country right now is Esquimalt Harbor, British Columbia, sitting at around 6 degrees Celsius, while the coldest air is locked over the Northwest Territories, where Little Chicago has dropped close to -48 degrees. That gives you a sense of just how wide the temperature spread is today. Starting in Western Canada, British Columbia is relatively calm compared to recent days. Vancouver and Victoria are seeing partly cloudy skies, with temperatures in the 3 to 4 degree range, which is mild for early January. Inland areas like Prince George are colder, near -4, with mostly cloudy conditions. Overall, this is a quieter stretch for the south coast, though clouds will continue to increase. Moving into Alberta and Saskatchewan, winter still has a firm grip. Calgary is sitting near -7, Edmonton around -10, and Regina and Saskatoon are much colder, between -14 and -15 degrees. Skies are generally clear to partly cloudy, which means cold nights continue despite some daytime sunshine. In Manitoba, Winnipeg is slightly milder than recent days at -2, under partly cloudy skies. This hints at the slow push of milder air, but don't be fooled, winter is still very much in control. Across northern Canada, it remains brutally cold. Whitehorse is near -23, and Yellowknife is sitting close to -27, with light snow in spots. These regions continue to experience deep Arctic air with little relief in sight. Now into Ontario and Quebec, where things are more unsettled. Toronto is above freezing at around 2 degrees, with mostly cloudy skies and leftover moisture from recent systems. Ottawa is close to 1 degree, cloudy, while Montreal and Quebec City are hovering near the freezing mark with light snow and mist, which could create slick road conditions, especially later today and tonight. Further north near Thunder Bay, freezing fog is being reported, which can be particularly dangerous for visibility and untreated roads. In Atlantic Canada, conditions are mixed. Halifax, Fredericton, and Charlottetown are right around 0 degrees, with light snow in some areas. St. John's is milder at around 2 degrees, but dealing with light drizzle and fog, which can quickly lead to slippery surfaces if temperatures dip. Overall, the big story today is the January thaw trying to push in, especially across southern Canada, while true Arctic cold remains locked in across the north. This clash of air masses is setting the stage for more active weather, including snow, freezing fog, drizzle, and possible freezing rain in the days ahead. Make sure you're staying alert to changing road conditions, especially during the morning and evening hours.